What's up, everybody? It is Sweet Crypto here, back with another video, guys. Today is Tuesday, and we're gonna do an airdrop for our Splash team. It's been a while, right? Yeah, let's do a nice airdrop for our Splash team. As I'm trying to set up this, won't use it for this video. Yeah, let's take a look at Splash. $4. Yeah. The chart's not looking so great. Hopefully we can see some reversal and we can start shooting up here. So that's really all I got to say on the chart. Not much, as I mentioned last time. But for our rewards, yeah, it's basically how it's going. We're going to fill up. We're going to recompound that. And yeah. So we're going to recompound if this could click. Okay. So let's do the airdrop. Right. Yeah. All right. So I have about, sorry if you hear my dog in the background. He's probably really annoying. Let's go to team airdrop. Use my address. 1 splash minimum. Budget 13 splash. Which is like $55 airdrop. I swear I had more in here. I swear I had more in here. See, I normally would do like $200 airdrops, but Splash is getting low. I will probably do an airdrop this Sunday for $100. My goal is to do an airdrop, so that should be nice. Let's do everybody here. As you can see, if you put in a splash more under my buddy address, you'll be entered in the airdrop. So let's get this started. Let's send transaction. Budget. Yeah, so everybody should be getting about 1 splash. So when I have the $100 airdrop, everybody should be getting like 2 splash. And yeah, so that airdrop is going to confirm, and airdrop sent. Cool. I'm gonna do a just like update about my crypto stuff, what's going on, probably in tomorrow's video. And yeah, but enjoy the airdrop. See you guys tomorrow. Sorry, I've been a little inactive again. If you don't know, I play a sport called basketball, which you probably all know. I got pretty hurt this weekend in my tournament, so I'm pretty banged up and had to deal with my injuries. So yeah, and it's cool. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and enjoy your airdrop.